A hot minute. I remember we came over in this section and this wasn't even done at all. You see all those cars that I passed back there? You gotta get yourself a little bike. All right, so we're on the Onyx today. I got a package I gotta return to UPS. So I'll take you guys for the ride and let's get on the bike and go. Guys, I'm gonna close the visor and enjoy the ride. If anything happens, I'll flip the visor up so I can talk to you guys, but for now, just enjoy the ride. Look. There's glasses, everything over here. You see all those cars that I passed back there? You gotta get yourself a little bike. A motorcycle wouldn't even be able to do that. You wouldn't be able to go in the dirt like that. Motorcycle's too heavy and big. Stop real quick. Someone called me. Let's see, that was really quick. All right, back to riding. It's kind of nice with my visor down, so I'm gonna flip it down again. Just makes the riding so much better without the wind noise and all the wind hitting my contact. Whoa, these people are super far out. They're not even behind the line. All right, we're at 80.8 volt, actually 81.0 volts. It just bumped up. I've done 2.4 miles and my riding has been kind of decent. I'm gonna go in front of this car too. Okay. Put my visor down. That should be behind my GoPro. Alright. Hot minute. Alright, got that dropped off. They got some new places open over here. Damn. They got the new movie theater put up. Regal RPX. Pretty dope. I want to come in the front real quick. I don't think it's open. I mean, it looks like it's open. I'm pretty sure it's not yet. That wasn't so long ago when me and my buddy came this way. I remember we came over in this section and this wasn't even done at all. Looks sick. Yeah, they're not open yet. I say give it another month. That's gonna be one nice movie theater. I wonder if they're gonna have couches. That'd be dope. Or beds. Beds would be dope, but a lot of people be fucking around. Those are the boys in blue in front of us? No, that's just a regular Explorer. Okay. Saw some stuff on the top. I didn't know if it was some lights. I couldn't tell, but no, just a regular Explorer. We're good. Stop squeaking, bud. I still haven't put my bar risers on, and I still haven't put the straps on the battery that I've been wanting to do. Kind of just put this bike off to the side for the longest time. I really enjoy the Sur-Ron. The reason why I like to ride this thing every now and then is just to switch it up. I get bored, and this one's more of a peaceful ride. Don't hear anything from it, so I just love the peace and quiet from it. I might hear a squeak here and there, but that's pretty much like about it. Oh, that was a cop. Definitely, that was a cop. I love flying past people not making a sound. All you hear is the tires like a Tesla. Pretty nice. Man, In-N-Out always smells so good every time I go by it. Yeah, see, this guy's like on the line. This guy can't drive worth a damn. Now he's behind me. I feel like he's gonna hit me. Fresno is horrible, guys. I'm sure LA in some areas are worse, but man, do I see some people that can't drive around here. Oh shit. Oh, well, that's gotta get over too. I'll go the back way to my house instead of going down the same way that I always go down. I think that's the route I'm going to take today. This is a GoPro 9 footage during the day. Should look fine. I did adjust my ISO settings to the lowest was 1600 and the highest was 6400 ISO. I did a few tests, and I honestly think the resolution on this one, the reason why it's so noisy, more noisy on this this camera for like rain and stuff like that, is a simple fact of it's a 5K sensor, and so the pixels are smaller, and that creates more noise over time. Oh man, I do like the regen brake. It's just it's real sensitive. So tell me which motorcycle can do this after everyone tells me you should get a motorcycle. You should get a motorcycle. What motorcycle does this? Ah, your motorcycle can't do that. Yeah. Oh, nice and shady. And I just wanted to stop for a second and show you what the bike's telling me anyway. We only stopped for, 20 seconds maybe so far, and it says we did 8.8 miles. We're at 75.3 volts. It just bumped up, and I think I heard someone say it's not really good to Oh, was it under 60? I mean, under 70 volts? I think someone said you got to be kind of careful. Like once you're under 70 volts, that you got to be kind of easier on the throttle. I've got back to my house and I think the lowest was like 69.4 or something. But let's get started. Let's go and continue. Should we be a bike on the way back? Put it in a different mode. Now I'm in eco mode. What I feel like eco mode, why is eco mode doing 25 miles an hour? Maybe it's because I'm already over that speed limit and just going. Oh yeah, now the mode switched after I let off. Oh yeah, now it's switched. You never want to switch it while you're on the throttle though. Well, that felt weird. It felt like the bike was braking. It had to like figure out what it wanted to do. What's our top speed on a bike? We can go 28 miles per hour. Oh shit, let me make sure I'm pedaling though. Maybe make sure I'm pedaling. You gotta make sure you get that in there. You can't go over 20 miles an hour if it's throttle only, but you can go over 20 miles an hour if you use pedal assist. Pedal assist will give you that extra 8 miles per hour. That's the law in California. A lot of people get lost when I keep telling them everything with my bike and the laws and everything. I understand your state's probably different, but ours is basically, if it's throttle only and no pedals, so it can have pegs on it, whatever, it doesn't need to have pedals, you can only go 20 miles per hour max. But if you have pedals, it's considered a class 3 e-bike, and you can go up to 28 miles per hour. It's hard to be a bike when, look at this bike lane. Can you guys see this bike lane? I can't be in that bike lane. I would crash. There's no potholes in the bike lane. So I gotta be a car. What else am I supposed to do? I mean, they made a little bike lane over here, which is kind of cool. It's not really bike friendly on my ride to work. Not all the streets have bike lanes. It's hit and miss. We're not like LA or New York where it's more focused on bikes and being safe for bikes and stuff. California's getting there. I just, they're not close. They got a lot of work to do. Like this bike lane, look, it just goes and then it's just gone, but then it jumps over there. A lot of roads need to be touched up. But I'm not complaining. I like to ride in the street. I don't like to go as slow as a bike, and honestly, the bike lane's more unsafe than just being in the street. People do not look for bikes in the bike lane. They don't look for anyone in the bike lane. They just look for cars. They're not even looking for bikes. So if they look in the street and they see you in the street, you have a better chance than being in the bike lane, if that makes sense. My hand's numb. I don't know why my hand's numb. But alright guys, we're pretty much done with the video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Real quick, I had some old GoPro stuff that I bought for my old one, but I wasn't going to use it, so I had to return it to Amazon. So it was only like, probably got like 20 bucks back, but hey, it didn't cost me any money to go drop it off, right? All right guys, see you in the next one. Later.